Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss with you current affairs quiz from 1st January to 15th January 2021, which will be asked in various competitive exams. So let's start guys. So question number 1 is, which country has become the first one to roll out low-cost Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine? So answer is A, Britain. So question number 2 is, which state will host 51st International Film Festival of India? So the answer is B, Goa. Question number 3, India and ADB signed a $231 million loan agreement for construction of a 120 megawatt hydroelectric power plant in which state? So answer is option number D, Nagaland. So question number 4, which nation has sanctioned international protocol to abolish death penalty? So its answer is option number D, Kazakhstan. So next, move on to next question. Question number 5, which state government will launch Kisan Kalyan Mission for the farmers? So its answer is option number A, Uttar Pradesh. So question number 6, the well-preserved remains of Ice Age woolly rhino were found in which nation? So its answer is A, Russia. Question number 7, when is World Braille Day is celebrated? So its answer is option number A, January 4th. Question number 8, which nation plans to enrich uranium to up to 20% purity at Fordo fuel enrichment plant? Its answer is option A, Iran. So guys, let's move on to next question. That is question number 9. Who among the following has cancelled his scheduled trip to India later this month? So its answer is Boris Johnson. Question number 10. Which nation is working to develop first wooden satellites to reduce a space jam? Its answer is option C, Japan. Question number 11. Hundreds of winter migratory birds have been found dead in which among the following Ramsar sites in India? Its answer is option number D, Pongdam Lake. So let's move on to next question. That is question number 12. The potential first case of a new and deadly disease X has been discovered in which nation? So its answer is option number D, Democratic Republic of Congo. Question number 13. India has launched its 40th scientific expedition to which among the following regions? So its answer is option number D, Antarctica. Question number 14. India will be replacing which nation as the co-chair of Asia Protected Areas Partnership? So its answer is option number A, South Korea. Question number 15. Alexander Ellis has been appointed as which nation's next High Commissioner to India? Its answer is Britain. Who will head the international jury of 51st International Film Festival of India? Its answer is option number B, Pablo Kesser. So question number 17 is, when will Union Budget 2021 be presented? So its answer is option A, February 1st. Question number 18. Which nation has gained the top spot in test rankings? Its answer is option A, New Zealand. So let's move on to next question friends. That is question number 19. The Indian Embassy has suspended all consular services in which nation till February 20? So its answer is UK. Question number 20 is, when will the 63rd annual Grammy Awards be presented? So its answer is option A, March 14th. Question number 21. Which state government will initiate the world's largest floating solar project by 2023? So its answer is option number D, Madhya Pradesh. So let's move on to next question, friends. That is question number 22. Which nation has signed an MOC with India for a basic framework of the partnership for proper operation of the system relating to specified skilled workers? So its answer is option B, Japan. Question number 23. Which state government has launched Kisan Kalyan Mission? So its answer is option number C, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 24. Which nation recently released a draft Arctic policy? So its answer is option number D, India. Question number 25. Renowned fashion designer Satyapal passed away on January 6, 2021. He was known for giving a modern look to which traditional outfit? So its answer is option number A, sari. Question number 26. Protesters violated the security of which nation's parliament on January 6, 2021? So its answer is option A, India. Which state rolled out the Launchpad scheme? So its answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 28. The center has decided to form a committee for the protection of language, culture and land of which region? So its answer is option number B, Ladakh. Question number 29. When will the second nationwide mock drill for COVID-19 vaccination be launched? So its answer is option number B, January 8th. Question number 30. Joe Biden won how many electoral votes to confirm his victory in the US presidential election 2020? So its answer is option number A, 306. So question number 31. When will Joe Biden be sworn as the next US president? So its answer is option number C, January 20th. Question number 32. Justice Hema Kohli has been sworn in as the first woman Chief Justice of which High Court? So its answer is option number D, Telangana. So let's move on to next question. That is question number 33. When will Union Budget 2021 be presented? So its answer is option number A, February 1st. Question number 34 is, renowned fashion designer Satyapal passed away on January 6. He was known for giving a modern look to which traditional outfit? So answer is option A, sari. Question number 35. Protesters violated the security of which nation's capital building on January 6, 2021? So its answer is option A, India. Question number 36 is, which state rolled out Launchpad scheme? So its answer is option number D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 37. The center has decided to form a committee for the protection of language, culture and land of which region? So its answer is option number B, Ladakh. Which state government will initiate the world's largest floating solar project by 2023? So its answer is option number D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 39. The potential first case of a new and deadly disease X has been discovered in which nation? So its answer is option number D, Democratic Republic of Congo. 40th question. Which nation has sanctioned international protocol to abolish death penalty? Its answer is option D, Kazakhstan. Question number 41. Which nation recently released its draft Arctic policy? Its answer is option number D, India. 42 question. Which nation is working to develop first wooden satellites to reduce space junk? Its answer is option number C, Japan. Question number 43. The well-preserved remains of Ice Age woolly rhino were found in which nation? So its answer is option number A, Russia. Question number 44. Which nation has gained the top spot in test rankings? So its answer is option number A, New Zealand. Question number 45. India will begin its COVID-19 vaccination drive from which date? So its answer is option number C, January 16th. Question 46. Which nation's president will be chief guest at India's Republic Day Parade 2021? So its answer is option number C, Indonesia. Question number 47. Which world leader's Twitter account has been permanently suspended? So its answer is option number A, Donald Trump. Question number 48. Which nation has sought 2 million doses of Covishield vaccine from India on a priority basis? So its answer is option number C, Brazil. Question number 49. Faustin Archange Touadera has been re-elected as the president of which nation? So its answer is option number A, the Central African Republic. Question number 50. Which state has launched Krishi Sanjeevani once? Its answer is option number B, Karnataka. Question number 51. Which nation will be the country of focus at 51st International Film Festival of India? So its answer is option number A, Bangladesh. Question number 52. India's GDP is expected to contract by how much in financial year 21? So its answer is option number A, 7.7%. Question number 53 is US President Donald Trump has declared emergency in which city? So answer is option number C, Washington DC. Question number 54 is which state has banned the entry of neighboring states as a precautionary measure in view of emergence of bird flu? So its answer is option number C, Goa. Question number 55 is when will US House Democrats vote on Trump's impeachment? So its answer is option number B, January 13th. 56 number question is how many US presidents have been removed from office through impeachment? So its answer is option number D, that is none. Question number 57. When is National Youth Day observed? So its answer is option A, January 12th. Question number 58 is rare metal vanadium has been found in which Indian state? Its answer is option number D, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 59. Which space agency will launch the world's most powerful rocket on January 17th? Its answer is option number A, NASA. Question number 60 is when was One Planet Summit held this year? So its answer is option number B, January 11th. Question number 61 is the new foreign trade policy will come into effect from which date? So its answer is option number B, April 1st. The global stockpile of Ebola vaccine is being created in which nation? So its answer is option number C, Switzerland. Question number 63. Bharat Biotech has signed an agreement with which nation's company for the supply of Covaxin? So its answer is option number A, Brazil. Question number 64 is, the United States has designated which nation as a state sponsor of terrorism? So its answer is option number D, Cuba. Question number 65. The Union Cabinet has approved an MOU to enhance scientific and technical cooperation between India and which nation's meteorology center? So its answer is option number B, UAE. Question number 65. Which nation's military contingent will take part in India's Republic Day Parade 2021? So its answer is option number D, Bangladesh. Question number 67 is, which state has waived off examination fees for matriculation students of the ongoing academic session? So its answer is option number B, Odisha. So let's move on to next question, friends. That is option number 68. Who is the only US president to be impeached twice? So its answer is option number D, Donald Trump. Question number 69 is, when will the third phase of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana be launched? So its answer is option number A, January 15th. 70th question is, India held a security dialogue with which nation on January 12th? So its answer is option number D, Vietnam. Question number 71 is, which country has banned the entry of cotton tomato products from China's Xinjiang region? Its answer is option number A, that is US. Question number 72 is, which neighboring nation's foreign minister will be visiting India from January 14 to 16, 2021? So its answer is option number B, Nepal. Question number 73. When will Startup India International Summit be held? So its answer is option number A, 15 and 16th January. Question number 74. How many times has India invited a foreign military contingent to take part in its Republic Day Parade? So its answer is option number D, that is 3. Question number 75. Who will be the chief guest at India's Republic Day Parade 2021? So its answer is option number D, that is none of the above. Question number 76 is, Indian Army has developed India's first indigenous 9mm machine pistol along with which among the following organizations? So its answer is option number A, DRDO. Question number 77. Who inaugurated Prarambh Startup India International Summit 2021? So its answer is option number C, Piyush Goyal. Question number 78 is, India held a strategic consultative group meeting on January 14th with the delegation from which among the following nations? So its answer is option number A, Oman. Question number 79 is, which nation has topped the Henley and Partners Passport Index 2021? So its answer is option number D, Japan. Question number 80. What was India's rank on Henley and Partners Passport Index 2021? So its answer is option number C, 85th. Question number 81. Which nation was ranked at the bottom of Henley and Partners Passport Index 2021? So its answer is option number D, Afghanistan. 82 question is, when is Indian Army Day observed? Its answer is option number A, January 15th. So the last question, that is question number 83 is, India signed an MOU to enhance cooperation in the field of information and communication technologies with which nation on January 15th? So its answer is option number B, Japan. So thank you guys for watching this video.